Hello guys and welcome to another Binance future trading. I'm currently trading STMXUSDT perpetual trading on Binance, and I'm currently on 15% profit, 14% right now, and 17 is not steady. As you can see it here, 18% profit. I will download it right now. So let me show you the graph. Let me show you the chart. This is the chart. I went for long, and as you can see, the price is actually going up. So basically what I do here, I do future trading, and I do trading for clients. If you have money that you want to invest, you can invest for me on my page. You can invest and I will trade for you. When I trade and make profit, I will send your profit to you. Or if you don't trust me, you can also deposit the money in your account, your Binance wallet, and you provide me with your details. I can trade for you. You will see the transaction details, the profit I make, and everything. So when I trade, make profit, you will share the profit you make. I don't have any access to your money. I can't withdraw your money without your code, without your verification. So your funds are safe. So whatever you want to do, if you want signal, I can also assist you with signals. So anyone you want, let me know in the comment section, or you can send me a message directly. Just contact me, and then we can have a deal. I can trade for you right in your Binance account. I can also trade with my own account and send you profit. Anyone you want, let me know. This is my trade, and this is the chart. Everything is going well. See you in the comment section. Thank you so much.